Why do thousands of people just like you in the greater Philadelphia region choose basement waterproofing specialists? The team went above and beyond for us and got a huge job done in one day. Everyone was friendly, professional, helpful, and explained everything thoroughly, as well as answered all my questions. I'm very happy. Last August, basement waterproofing specialists came to my house and in a day and a half did an amazing amount of work. They installed a drain around the perimeter of the inside of my basement. The inspector Dean went into great detail and answered all my questions. Since the work was done, the leaking in my basement has stopped, and the couple times I called to get minor problems fixed, they came out the next day and fixed the issue. I'm very happy with the work that was done and how quickly they responded to service calls. I highly recommend them to waterproof your basement. I would definitely rate them 5 stars. Very knowledgeable representatives who were able to answer all of my questions, and I had many questions. They were able to quickly identify the source of my problem and tailored solutions as to how to remedy the problem so that I can finally finish my basement. I've not had any issues with water getting in my basement since my system has been installed. Thank you so much. Get your free estimate, 800-700-9171.